G'day mate, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel wherever you're watching from. Justin, Juicy Killer Monster. We've got to show you what we're doing today. We're doing a bit of listing today, but breaking news, I've buggered me foot, man. I was picking up a load of boxes, excuse me, I was picking up a load of boxes. Go over here, Donna. Right, my bloody way she was. Right, love.
Hello.
But you know, I've got one foot. Hey, do you want to say something? Because I'm in the middle of talking
everybody.
to him. There you go. There you go. Pass you
No, it's fine.
Ah, there we go. There. All that fuss for nothing. So anyway, when we put all these filing cabinets in, I put all the boxes to one side. Yeah, and I took them down a tip for them to sell because nobody took them. People started vandalising. Thanks, people. But when I did it, I was in my Crocs and I stood on a nail and it went right through my Croc into my foot. So I thought, I gave it 24 hours, see how it is, but my foot's swollen up to twice the size of the other one. So we've gone down and seen the pharmacist, because they're quicker than doctors, and I'm on antibiotics now, so I've got an elephant foot. So let me turn around and see if I can show you without falling over. Tell you what I'm talking. So there's my good foot. Hello, good foot. And there's a swollen one, look. If I show you up here, that's where it pierced in. And right through my Croc, right through my foot, and now it's all swollen. I've got pins and needles in it. So I put them together, can't even stand up. Put them together, you can see how much swollen the left one is than the right. So that's where we're at. It's not going to stop us making a film, no, because we're out here today. Lucy's doing a bit of listing.
I'm listing a load of stuff that we've had sat in the shed. I need to list it on eBay and vinted.
So show the people what you're listing.
So we've got this two-way doll. It's weird. It's really weird and a bit creepy. But look, it's two ways. Ready?
So cute.
Ready?
Hola.
How cool is that?
How's it going to stand up?
With the
I don't
dress.
think it's meant to.
With the
Oh,
dress.
No, it is actually.
The
yeah.
dress was
Yeah, there you
Okay.
go. How cool is that? I love it.
happy days. So Lucy's listing that. So this is now the packing room. So all these labels, there's always something out that catches you. See all these labels we put up, they started coming off. So I've just had to write on there in permanent marker. Just had to write on there in permanent marker the number of the drawers. But look, all in numerical order, all the way up to there. When you turn around, should we have a look at what's in box 26? There you go. Load of clothes on vinted. That's in box 26. All the way through to there. Then we come around here. And it keeps on going. Down here, 37, 38, 39, 40. And a lot of these are empty. So that's our storage. There's our power pack for our lights. So if I turn this button on, the red button, light comes on, bosh. It shows you down there. And then a bubble wrap's been moved over there temporarily, but I'll sort that out. And then any items that we got to list, we put on top of the filing cabinets. And then we literally go, oh, is there a space in this drawer? We open it up, say, drawer 54, and then we stand there and list. Like Lucy's listing there, look, she'll list that. She'll pick a drawer number, and she'll chuck it in there, and then she'll list the next thing, next thing, next thing, till it's all stored away. So that is what we're doing at the moment. So how much are you putting that up for then, Liz?
I'm going to do $15.99.
$15.99. Happy days, you right,
I
Han?
can't find anything similar on eBay.
Means it's rare, Luce.
So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a random price up and say $15.
Means it's one of a kind, Luce.
Yeah.
It's rare. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. So I'll film Luce listing a few bits, and hope that my foot gets better with these antibiotics that I can't take for another hour. So just had a massive fry up.
It's really bad.
So we got antibiotics for 5 days. Got some dressings because I've got to clean it up. So that's me on my arse really. But tomorrow I've got to do a pickup for some clothes. So I'll tell you everything that's going on with that. So everything we do at the moment is staying the same. So you know when we do car boot sales, keep doing those, keep selling on eBay and vinted, and we get our stock for free, we dumpster dive, none of that's going to change. Like we mentioned in the last video, we're going to start buying some clothes from the charity shops, but not like you would in the shop. All the stuff that they bag up and sell to the ragman, basically in bulk, for a certain amount of pence per kilo, we're going to get in on that, and we're going to pick out a few items, whatever items we're interested in, and pay for them just like the ragman would, and then that will go on our eBay and Vinted listings, clothes, anything from £3-4 upwards, as well as all the stuff we pick out for free or any house clearance jobs we do, like with people and stuff. Anything that's decent, really decent, we'll put on eBay and Vinted, and everything else will be just a car boot. But trailers full up with car boot. We've got about 15 empty drawers in there, and a couple of half drawers as well for stuff to list. And we're just cracking on. So I've got to rest this foot. Go and get some clothes tomorrow, which is up 2 flights of stairs. That'll be fun. And yeah, we'll show you what we get tomorrow. But until then, a bit more of this listing. We doing now, Elise?
Hi guys, so I'm just going to the next item now. I'm just finding places that I can take pictures and stuff, decent pictures. But we picked up this tarot set, which we're now going to put on, because we didn't sell it at the car boot. We're going to put it on eBay, I think.
Cool.
Or Vinted. I might just put it on eBay actually. eBay.
Do you reckon 13-14 quid?
I might see how much it's worth and go from there. I might go in the middle.
Yeah, but it was like, it's 20 quid. You see it on the back.
What?
20 quid. Okay, so I'll put it on for
Put it on for like 12 quid.
£12 then.
No, 11.99, Liz.
£11.99. 12 quid then.
11.99. Let's have a look. Let's get the zoom in. Look at this, David Bailey here, mate. I don't need no A-level photography, mummy. Yes. Look at that. Turns out all you need is a smartphone, Han. Just so you know, Hannah's doing A-level photography. So Lucy's currently checking the tarot deck. I'll come back when she's listing something else. Look at these guys. You could own this tarot set. I mean, have you took a photo like that, Liz?
Yeah.
That's beautiful, mate.
I haven't counted how
Beautiful.
many cards there are
It's
yet.
beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that.
You're like Jake the Peg with your foot like that.
I'm Jake the Pig, did a little copyright. Oh. See you in a bit when she's listed the tarot. 100 minutes later.
64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69.
Does anyone know how many cards are supposed to be in a tarot pack? Because Lucy's counting them.
Yeah, there's 78, and that's how many there's meant to be.
You sure it's not supposed to be 80?
78.
You sure?
Yeah, because it says on the card there.
You sure?
It says there.
Look at me. Look at your for sure face. Yeah, for sure. What do you reckon, Hannah? Do you concur? Do you concur, Hannah?
Yes.
Yeah.
And doing exams and stuff all morning, aren't you, Hannah?
Alright, do you want your life story? See you in a bit, guys. Right, we're going in for an action shot. This is a reseller in the wild.
Hello.
What are you selling, Liz?
Hey?
What are you selling?
I'm selling this little thing.
Oh, tiny.
Little tiny thing. It's going to take a picture. Hannah, don't, because I'm trying to do this. Hannah, stop.
Hannah, behave herself at once.
She's knocking the ball at
You
me.
get it? So that's what we're selling there. Little wizard teddy. And then we've got here. A Wile E. Coyote, mate. Look how cool he is.
Justin dropped this the other day and nearly broke it.
No, I never. Panda. Lies. Never. Right, so what else you got listed, Liz?
Magic. Me to you, Bear.
Hey, take
Magic.
time here, love, dear.
Magic.
We got here a few bits.
Magic. What's it called?
Magic. Magic. Looks like a me to you doll. Oh, well, hopefully tomorrow, guys. So we've only got a few bits to list there, because remember all the stuff that was on the top there from the last video, it's gone straight to car boot. Just delete the items because it's just filling us up.
Come here.
Hopefully tomorrow we'll come back with a few good bin bags full of clothes, and we get to pick the clothes as well, which is amazing. It's not just blind luck, like what you get. We get to go through the bags, pick what we want to sell, pick what we want to buy, buy, give some money to the charity shop, which feels great because it's nice getting stuff for free, but it's also nice giving back. And then we can list those stuff during the week, and then I can heal up for the car boot on Sunday. I've got a bit of a gimpy leg, but I think even if it does hurt, I'm still going to do it. I just have to 15-20 minutes load up, 15-20 minutes unload, and then just rest. But we'll see how we go. See you in a bit.
I think he's scared of these seats.
Right, while I'm waiting for Lucy's endless time it takes to list, I'm going to do a few things. So here's what I'm listing. So we got this John Lewis sound box.
Crocheted.
We've got an Indiana Jones diary. I'll show you this quickly. Look at this. Indiana Jones diary. Look.
It's quite cute, isn't
Pretty
it?
cool, isn't it? So you got that.
Could I look at it?
Yeah. We've got this handbag and this Costello. House of Costello since 1893. Basically a tile, slate tile with chalk on it. So I'm going to list them and I'll see you in a bit. Right, Luz, what are you listing now then?
Hello, so I'm listing some games. So this is a PC ROM game. It's like Castlevania. When I was a kid I used to play Castlevania, it's amazing. It's like Castlevania, but I don't think it is Castlevania.
You show us the screen.
Yeah, hang on, it's getting this sticky off. Stronghold Deluxe, it's not Castlevania, but
Okay, and what's the other one down?
this one is a PS4 game, FIFA 18. So
Happy
yeah,
days.
I don't know what to put these on for really.
Just have a look, let me zoom in. There you go, FIFA
That's the
2018.
second game we've got listed.
So those items that we needed to do.
Yeah,
So we're cracking on.
yeah.
Update with the foot. So the doctor said I've got to take antibiotics because it's swollen up like elephant man. And he says I've got to put dressing on it with antiseptic cream and keep it covered at all times. So luckily all those packing skills came into effect at the right. Bosh,
Pretty good, Jazz.
look at that.
Actually looks pretty good.
And I can actually put some bubble wrap on there if I feel like it. Be alright, won't it? All those wrapping skills were building up to this moment, guys. So here we go. Right, that's all the items listed. I've done about 4 or 5, listed about 8 or 9. So that's more stuff listed. So if you're interested in buying, look at the description. Under the description on our channel in the link section. Could be something you like. If not, there's a lot of stuff going down the car boots. Lots of good stuff going to the car boot this Sunday. Even if I've got a peg leg, I'll be going. But Luce is now going to pick some items we sold. How many items did we sell, love?
3.
So we sold 3 items. We haven't sold much the last couple of days because we haven't listed nothing. We've
And
actually
it slows the algorithm down.
actually deleted about 40 items, 50 items to take to the car boot because it's just too big and bulky for our drawers. So we're refining it. So we've got 3 items to pick and post, and that's it for today, guys. So hope you enjoyed the video. Luce, do you want to say goodbye to Amanda?
Yeah, I'll come around and say bye.
Here she is.
Hello.
Right,
So
darling.
yeah, we had a breakfast this morning, didn't we, Jess?
Yeah.
Went for a nice breakfast and we went to sort Jussie's leg out because he's really hurt it. Are we actually going to do a car boot Sunday?
Yeah, I'm going to try to, even if just grin through the pain, take a couple of painkillers, because it's like, you know, when you put your foot on the clutch or you go to walk, it's bang in the centre there, mate. Get me right in the centre of my pad of my foot.
Not
But
good.
it's all right. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. We'll see you next time.
See you
Thank you and
soon.
bye.
Bye.